Hi, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download videos from Facebook on your Android device. Before starting, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you as soon as we post a new video. Go to your Facebook app and look for a video you want to download. Once you find the video you want to download, tap on the three dots on the top left corner above the video you want to download and tap on Copy Link. The link of the video has been copied. After you copy that, go to your web browser and type fbdown.net. As soon as it opens, paste the link you just copied right here and then tap on the download button. Note that the video will only download if it is a public video. Tap on download video in normal quality for an average quality video. You can even select more options by tapping on it and tapping on the option displayed. After your video opens, keep pressing the screen for a few seconds and a pop-up will appear where you can download your video. Tap on download video and your video has been downloaded. To view the video, tap on open and this is your video that you've been trying to download from your Facebook. The video will now be saved to your Android gallery as well. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question or a feedback. I'll see you again with more tutorial. Thank you for watching.